This face mask naturally removes stains, acne, scars and wrinkles after second use. The skin is the largest organ in the human body and it reflects everything what's going on inside our bodies. Skin is like our coat, it protects us. Everything what we do is usually shown on our skin, what we eat, what we drink, how we feel, etc. But unfortunately sometimes our skin will break out without any specific reason or cause. So this is the best time to try this all-natural facial mask. Well, this homemade all-natural recipe is great and very useful against stains, scars, acne and wrinkles. It will make your face refreshed and rejuvenated. Remember, this mask is amazing for your facial skin. But you shouldn't use it as an exfoliator and don't apply it on other parts of your body. This homemade facial mask is very simple and easy to make and you probably already have all the ingredients in your kitchen cabinet. Just follow the simple instructions and you are good to go. Here's what you need to do. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of honey, add more for sensitive skin, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Directions. Here's what you need to do. First you need to put all the dry ingredients into a small bowl. Then you need to add the honey and the lemon juice and mix everything until you get nice a thick paste. How to use it? You need to apply this facial mask on clean and dry face. So before you use this homemade facial mask, wash your face and dry it. You need to avoid the areas around your mouth and your eyes. When you are done, leave it on for 30 minutes. But if your skin is too sensitive, then don't leave it more than 10 minutes. You will feel tingling sensation, but it will go away after few minutes. Now wash your face with warm water, but don't scrub it into the skin. And make sure you use a clean towel. When your face is all dry, you need to apply from your moisturizing cream or just apply some coconut oil on your face. About the ingredients. Honey, it has powerful antibacterial properties cause of the enzymatic production of hydrogen peroxide. Honey also works as a humectant. This means that it attracts and retains moisture to keep your skin firm. People use honey for thousands of years to treat wounds, burns, skin ulcers and inflammations. Nutmeg, this powerful spice has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. This powerful spice can help to fight eczema. People often use this spice to treat chronic acne and prevent scarring. Cinnamon, this spice has also powerful antibacterial properties. It can help you cure acne and other skin problems as well. Cinnamon also works as counter-irritant, well, it reduces the pain and inflammation, when it's used topically. Lemon, this super healthy fruit can help you to even out your skin tone and to fade the sunspots. Lemon is loaded with citric acid, which balances the pH value of the skin and promotes skin peeling. The lemon juice also promotes the regeneration of skin cells. This is why many cosmetic products contain citric acid, especially the anti-aging cosmetic products. This homemade facial mask is the perfect tool against wrinkles, acne and skin stain. If you want to refresh and rejuvenate your face, then this facial mask is your best option. It's very simple and easy to make. Thanks for watching and don't forget to share with your friends and family.